Hey, boys and girls, here we go. We have day 9 with our May daily math. And number 1, it's asking us what time is on the clock. So I got my clock here. I got it set to 6 already. But I see the hour hand is somewhere between the 6 and the 7 here, right? Like right there. So I'm going to move that around. Minute hand is between the 9 and the 10. To me, it looks like I see that second line past the 9 right there. Does that look good to you? Huh? What do you think? Good to go? All right, so I see it's going to be 6 because it's not quite 7. So 6, there's 45, 46, 47. I see 647 there, all right? So there we go, 647. All right, then let's look at number 2. Write 3 division equations with a quotient of 7. So we have a number divided by a number equals 7, a number divided by a number equals 7, and a number divided by a number equals 7. So let's just go 2, 4, and 6, just for fun, okay? So notice I didn't put the big number here. I started with this one. Now I'm just going to do the multiplication, right? We're going to turn around. We're going to flip around and go backwards. So 7 times 2, 7 plus 7, 14. Okay. And 7 times 4, well, that's 2, 7 times 2. So 14 plus 14 is 28. And 6 times 7, well, 7 times 3, the one in between here is 21. And 21 plus 21 is 42. All right. Number 3. Oh, there we go again. We just had a problem like this. Where was that? Kind of like up here somewhere, right? With right there, huh? Remember that? Yeah. It says balance the equation. And on one side of it, we have 7 times 7. Okay. On the other side, it just says equals. And then it says 3 times 7 plus a number times a number. So I'm going to keep it as a 7 on this side. Keep it similar, right? So 7 times 7 equals 3 times 7 plus something times 7. Well, we're going to take this 7 right here. I'm just going to put it up here for a second, okay? And I'm going to put this one right here, and we're going to move it up like that. So all I'm doing is raising this. We're going to raise that plus sign. And this number that goes here is going to go right there. So 3 plus what equals 7? Well, that would be a 4. And you are correct. So this number here is a 4. Now we balance the scale. Okay? All right. Number 4, it says to divide across and down. So 30 divided by 10. How many 10s in 30? 10, 20, 30, 3. Excellent. 6 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6. Again, 3, right? Good. What's 30 divided by 6? Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Hey, 6 5s. That's a 5 right here. Yeah. All right. And 10 divided by 2. Split 10 in half is 5. This one is shaded out right here. But it could be 1, right? 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. All right, number 5. Here we go. A mother horse and her foal gallop through the new spring grass. Write less than, greater than, or equal to. On this side, we have 52 tens. So 52 tens is equal to 520. The tens is like putting a 0 at the end, right? So we have 520 on this side. Now on this side, it says 2 hundreds and 35 tens. Well, 35 tens is going to be similar to 52 tens in the fact that it's 35 tens, and we can't forget the 0 there. We're going to add those two together. Oh, this is so close. So it's 520 on this side, 550 on that side, so 52 tens is a little less than 235 tens. All right, boys and girls, thank you much. That is day number 9. See you tomorrow.